In this video, we're going to talk about how to configure store hours in Thrive Control Center. I've logged into Thrive Control Center and navigated to the Hours link under Configuration. Let's take a look at context. I'm working on my company, everyone's favorite pizza and subs, and as you can see, I'm working on location settings. Right now, I'm working at the company level, which means that all of my changes will apply as a default for the company and can be pushed out to all my locations. If I want to make changes for a specific location, I can select that location. All right, let's take a look at the first section of business hours. My first option is what day my week starts on. This is good for reporting and scheduling purposes. Next, I can see my in-store hours. For example, I open at 9 a.m. and I close at 10 p.m. This might be true for most of my days, but on Friday and Saturday I have different hours. So we'll uncheck those. And then we'll add a new set of hours for the weekends. Again, we open at 9 a.m., but on the weekends, we're open until 1 a.m. Since I put this as a past midnight time, you'll notice this little information sign. It lets me know that we're applying this past midnight and into the next day. All right, so that's it for my in-store hours. Now, if I'm using online ordering, I can set that to the same as the store hours, or I can turn on different hours for online ordering. Maybe we don't accept online orders until 11 a.m. and we stop at 9 p.m. Again, you can choose to vary that per day of the week. If you like, we have our delivery hours. If you do delivery, this can be the same as your store hours, or we can set specific delivery times. So maybe we don't start delivery until 5 p.m. and we go to 10 p.m. during the week. And then we do the same thing for Saturday and Sunday. Friday and Saturday, we start at 5 p.m. And in this case, we stop at 1 a.m. And my final setting, or my online delivery hours, those will default to the same as my in-store hours, unless I choose to set different ones. All right, the next section we want to look at is our day part hours. We start out with some default day parts here: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which are primarily used to configure promise times and for reporting. Here, I have a warning that I'm not fully covering my day part hours since I've changed the hours. I need to either change my dinner or to go to 1 a.m., or we can add a new day part called late night. We'll start at 11 and we'll end at 1. I'll make some adjustments here if I want my lunch to end at 3:59 and my dinner to start at 4. I can change that. It's just as important if you have day part hours to cover all of your store hours. Now let's take a look at your holiday hours. These are really important if you do online ordering because it allows you to add special holiday or special online store hours. For example, if we're going to be closed on Thanksgiving, we'll select that here. We add that. And let's also add special hours for Black Friday, which is the day after Thanksgiving. We're going to start early at 5 a.m. and we're going to be open till 2 a.m. the next day. This allows you to schedule all of your holidays and special hours in advance so that your online ordering website will automatically reflect your proper hours. This section does not affect your point of sale system. When you're done setting your hours, click Save and be sure to click on the Publish in order to send these changes out to the appropriate location. Check out the rest of our Thrive Control Center video series to learn more about configuring your Thrive point-of-sale system.